Good day, I'm Adrian Atkinson and this is your JIS News for Monday, July 1. The country is much closer to introducing a national health card after Cabinet gave its approval recently. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says the government of Jamaica GOJ Health Card is to be introduced on a phased basis. During his recent sectoral presentation, Dr. Ferguson said the unique card would be tied to person's tax registration number TRN and would speed up service delivery and overall patient care.
Among its uses, the card will facilitate proper systems of monitoring and evaluation and the optimization of service delivery channels for pharmaceuticals. The card will facilitate better monitoring and identification. It will also take into account private health insurance so that instances where charges arise, we can better, adequately and quickly deal with it.
The National Health Fund will facilitate a simplified ongoing registration process for the card. In other health news, the Portfolio Minister says the ministry is moving quickly to buy 2 linear accelerator Linac machines for cancer radiation treatment.
One will be placed in Kingston and the other in Montego Bay. But while we are doing this, Mr. Speaker, we are going to be refurbishing those old Cobalt 60 machines. Life-saving treatment for cancer will be moving at warp speed.
The machines have been procured with the support of the National Health Fund and the Chase Fund. New X-ray machines have also been bought to improve diagnostic services at the Princess Margaret, Anotta Bay, Maypen and Mandeville Regional Hospitals. And the ministry is to begin distributing 70 new ambulances across the public health sector by the end of July. They were purchased at a cost of more than $880,000. The Jamaica Archives and Records Department, JARD, is to get some well-needed funds to continue efforts to digitize this material and modernize the operations of the department. JARD is the sole government entity mandated to preserve Jamaica's cultural and documentary heritage for posterity. Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner has announced that the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, has committed $36 million to see the work done.
And I'm told that that money should be forthcoming in the first half of the next year. This will assist us in making this important repository of knowledge more widely accessible by just the click of a mouse.
The Information Minister was speaking at the unveiling of 2 plaques of inscription, which UNESCO has awarded for 3 outstanding historical collections held by the JARD. The collections, Protector of Immigrants, Registry of Slaves and Silver Men of the Panama Canal, have been incorporated in UNESCO's Memory of the World Register. They document Jamaica's heritage during the period of slavery, Asiatic indentured immigration, and our involvement in the construction of the Panama Canal. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips and his team will travel to the United States to meet with the island's financial partners between July 7 and 17. Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner made the announcement at the last Jamaica House press briefing. She said the minister and his team would be meeting with the financial institutions and ratings agencies in New York and Washington, D.C.
Some members of the delegation will travel to Washington to hold meetings with critical stakeholders and the U.S. Treasury to update them on the progress being made under the IMF program and to see how these entities can help support Jamaica in a tangible way. In New York, they will meet with agents of the capital markets to update them on developments in the government's economic reform program and growth agenda.
The meetings will include representatives from investment banks, pension funds and insurance funds. And finally, the Jamaica Fire Brigade has received water and structural rescue kit equipment valued at $1 million to further strengthen its search and rescue operations in 6 parishes.
This donation is also timely because we are in the hurricane season and we may be called on again to play our part in saving lives and protecting property.
The equipment has been donated by the United States Southern Command in partnership with the U.S. Embassy in Jamaica. Included in the items are self-contained breathing apparatus, portable lighting, helmets, chainsaws, holding shovels and water rescue and flotation devices. They will be deployed to the York Park, Trenchtown and Stony Hill fire stations in Kingston and St. Andrew, the Falmouth Fire Station in Trelawney, Port Maria Fire Station in St. Mary and the Outares Fire Station in St. Anne. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Adrian Atkinson. Thanks for watching.